Hello, this is a demo of ChitChat Pay application. So we are enabling B2B hyperlocal transactions between merchants. So let's say we have two merchants, merchant A and merchant B. So we are going to give you a demo of how they are going to transact in between each other. So let's say this merchant A would like to see the catalog of merchant B. So essentially he would click over here and he would be able to see that there are three items which merchant B is selling, which is a mobile laptop and a headphone. And let's say merchant A would require a good deal on a mobile phone and he would like to negotiate the prices. So basically he will go back, he will click on the merchant, he will go to the business section and ask for a good deal on the mobile phone. Can you give me a good deal on mobile? So if you see over here, so we received a chat message. So merchant B will click over here and he will, after seeing the message, he will go back to his catalog and he'll say the price is, let's say the price is 8,000, and at best he can share this mobile phone at a dynamic price, so which is going to be 7,500 for so and so units. So he will share this item with this particular user. Okay, so he has shared the mobile with price 7,500, and now so merchant A will place the order. So he will just enter the quantity. Let's say he is ordering 2 and he'll click on order, and you want to place the order, he'll click OK, and a order has been placed. So merchant B has received a new order, and over here he has a number of options. Either he can make it payment pending, cancel order, or order completed. So let's say we would like to change the status to payment pending. So do you want to change the status of order as payment pending? Click OK, enter the amount. Let's say 2,000 rupees are pending. Click on submit. So over here, like you see, the pending amount is 2,000 and merchant A is also notified of the same. Okay, so then merchant A is again going to make a payment of 2,000 rupees. Let's say 2,000. So he has paid the 2,000, and let's just assume that he has already repaid the 5,500 earlier. So he is going to basically complete the order in this case. So he will just click on order complete, and the order has been completed, and the status is immediately communicated back to merchant A as well. So this is dynamic pricing. So there is no fixed price, and so this is a very normal scenario in between wholesalers and retailers, that a wholesaler is selling an item for different prices to different retailers. Okay, and for all the transactions which are happening, so you would be able to filter those transactions by, like, are there any new orders? So right now there is no new order being placed. So are there any payment pending, which is not there? So order completed. So you see, so there is one item for which the order has been completed. Or like if I click on all, you will see all the transactions. So essentially, so this is a chat enabled ledger platform, so wherein you would be able to negotiate prices as well as like maintain all the ledger. So if I again go back to the report section, so you would be able to see all the transactions which has happened in between these two merchants, merchant A and merchant B. Okay, so this is the report section, and then